Promise Academy is an elementary school here in Memphis, Tennessee, from grades pre-K through 5th grade. The interactive whiteboard technology was a way to make our school more efficient in the classroom by streamlining media, videos, and interactive content for our teachers and students. Our previous interactive whiteboard solution was very painful because during the process we had to accommodate extra laptops and wires, which was very cumbersome for our teachers.
As a teacher, technology is always changing and it can be hard to keep up with. I think one of the nicest things about the Rico board is just having everything in one place. So whether I'm pulling up a website for the kids, or I'm pulling up our exit ticket for the day, or a video that we're working on, or a song, it's just really nice to have everything in one place that's so easily accessible.
The Rico interactive boards are an all-in-one package solution, which was something that we were looking for. Something that we could depend on, and we did not have to worry about whether or not it was going to work from day to day.
I think one of the nicest things about the Rico board is that we can actually pull up the work that the kids are doing. So if I want to call on a student to come up and actually draw his work on the worksheet of how he solved a problem, the kids are able to do that. The board is super sensitive, so it picks up, all of their hand movements, and it's really easy for the rest of the kids to see what we're all doing. I would definitely recommend RJ Young to other schools and teachers just because of how user-friendly it is.
If we need something, all I have to do is describe the idea, and RJ Young will come up with a solution that fits what we're looking for. RJ Young is one of those companies that you partner with because you want someone that you can go down the road with in the long term.